Hey legal babes, and welcome back to my channel where I am documenting my journey into becoming a lawyer. My current status is I took the LSAT in November, I got my score back on the 27th, and I have sent in all of my applications that are going to be considered early decision. And I am just waiting on the decisions from the schools. In the meantime, I will be making YouTube videos about the law field, different discussions going on in the LSAT community, in the law school community. And in this video, I will be talking about 10 jobs you can get in the legal field without going to law school. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into the video. The first job on my list is for those people who like to be in other people's business for free. As a mediator, you can get paid to be in the mess. On the low end, you can expect around 65,000 to anywhere to 107,000. In some of your contracts to these streaming platforms like Disney and Hulu, they do have a clause stating that you cannot bring suit against the company. You can only seek ADR or alternative dispute resolution, and this is where a mediator would come in. Education for this career takes 4 years of a bachelor's degree and either a pre-law course or social work, and then a 40-hour training course. Our next job is an immigration consultant. Immigration consultants help individuals navigate the legal complexities of immigration law, including visa application, work permits, and citizenship. Usually, consultants do not follow you along on the case. They help you in the front end with like starting the applications and letting you know the process, or they help you on the back end, which is basically like closing out and signing everything. Usually, you can expect to earn between $50,000 and $75,000 for this role. A degree in international relations, political science, or a related field would be helpful, and you may need a specific certification depending on your jurisdiction. The next job on my list is for anyone who is good at explaining things to people. A contract administrator will help the parties of a contract understand and help negotiate revision of the contract. The schooling needed to get started in this career is a bachelor's degree in either finance, human resources, or business administration, and a master's in business administration is a plus. The average salary ranges from $70,000 on the low end up to $102,000. Does this sound like a job that you would do? The next job on my list is a legal marketing specialist, and a legal marketing specialist help law firms and legal professionals grow their business by developing marketing strategies, handling advertising, and managing social media. Legal marketing specialists earn between $50,000 to $85,000 a year. A degree in marketing communications or business is usually required, and experience working in a law firm or legal services is often preferred. Our next job is something we may all be familiar with. It is a lawyer without a JD, a paralegal, often called a legal assistant or legal secretary, depending on where you work. I was previously a paralegal for about 4 years. It is a great gateway into law. Paralegals usually draft pleadings, file documents, set appointments, attend meetings, a good amount of what lawyers and attorneys do without appearing in court, and it's under supervision. A certificate is all that you need for this role, but a bachelor's degree in like political science or anything pre-law, and then a post-grad certification from an ABA certified institution is a plus. You can expect to earn around 60,000 to 90,000 in this role, and it could get much higher. Trust me. If you want to be in the room where it happens, this next job just might be for you. A court reporter is a person who uses a stenograph to either type or a voice stenograph to record everything that is going on in the courtroom. Education needed for this role is shorthand training class and to pass a state exam. Annual salary for a court reporter is $70,000 to $118,000. The next role is for someone looking to switch careers from medicine to law. Legal nurse consultants are registered nurses who assist in legal cases involving medical issues. They analyze medical records, help lawyers understand complex healthcare matters, and even testify as expert witnesses. For this role, you can expect to earn from 70,000 to 120,000 a year, depending on your experience and your industry specialization. To start, you do need to be a RN or a registered nurse and usually hold a certificate in legal nurse consulting. Would you switch from nursing to law for this role? If you like telling your company what to do or what they're doing wrong, this next position is for you. Compliance officers ensure the business and organizations are following legal regulations and industry standards. They warn companies of practices that may lead to legal trouble. The salary for a compliance officer ranges from 70,000 to 110,000. A bachelor's degree in business, finance, or law is typically required, and many compliance officers also earn certificates in compliance and risk management. Were you trying to follow the trend and get a tech job, but you couldn't find a way in? Well, the legal IT specialist could be your way in. Legal IT manage and support the technology system used in law firms and legal departments. They handle everything from managing electronic case files to ensuring security and data protection. The average salary for a legal IT specialist ranges from 60,000 to 95,000 annually. A degree in information technology or IT, computer science, or a related field is typically required, along with experience in IT management, possibly certifications in cybersecurity. So I realized I did not give you guys a 10th role. The 10th role is going to be a legal investigator. A legal investigator gathers evidence, conduct interviews, and help the lawyer prepare for cases. Usually they work in family law, criminal law, or civil litigation. So they usually help gather evidence of a cheating spouse or child abuse or verify alibis and just generally help the lawyer prepare for trial. You can expect to make anywhere between 55,000 and 80,000 as a legal investigator. And the education required is usually a background in criminal justice, so like a police officer, a sheriff, detective, stuff like that. While some legal investigators do hold a bachelor's degree in criminal justice or a law related field. That wraps up our video on 10 legal jobs you can get without going to law school. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are interested in any of these roles or you have experience in any of these roles, leave a comment below. As always, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my journey. I will see you guys in the next video.